Okay, let's go see if Santa came. Should we go look? Okay, go check.
Do you see anything? Do you think
do we
Santa brought
see?
some toys?
Go look. See if you can see any.
Did he?
Did he bring anything? What did he bring, Adler?
Toys.
Where? Oh my goodness, is that for you right there?
You think this is for you? Did he
What
bring
is
the animals?
that? Look at it, it's for you. From Santa.
I love it.
Oh my goodness, what did you get?
Toys.
Did you get Buzz Lightyear? Oh, that is so cool. Does he talk?
Let's take him out.
You want to? Okay, we can do that.
Look at that too.
And what else did you get?
And these two.
Those two? What is that?
Pterodactyl.
You got a pterodactyl? Bless you, baby. Bless you. And what on earth is that big thing?
What?
What is that? Is that a scooter? Oh, bless you, darling. Is that a scooter? You got a scooter?
And
Wow.
a crab too.
And a hermit crab too? How cool is that?
Say snap, snap.
Does he?
I am Buzz Lightyear.
And what do you think's in there?
I need it.
Okay,
Daddy,
I'm gonna-
my